So yes guys, we are back. Alright, 3318 question, find x sum of all k long sum array फर्स्ट का है ना. इजी क्वेश्चन है. तो इसमें दे रखा है यू आर गिवन एन array nums राइट of n integers and to integer k and x. मतलब एक array दे रखा nums n integer और integer k and x है. The x of an array is calculated by the following procedure right. Procedure दे रखा है count the occurrence of all elements in the array and keep only the occurrence of the top x most frequent element. If two elements have the same number of occurrence, then element is the bigger value right, and calculate the sum of. और ये एग्जाम्पल दे रखे हैं इसके right. So now we can do how my approach is this right, कि मैं कैसे करूँगा इस क्वेश्चन को right. So now we would like to we are thinking like how this will gonna do right guys. So okay, so the question is asked to find a special sum called x sum right for every subarray of size k for each window of k elements right. So we need to count how many times each number appears. Okay, then we would like to choose the top x number that occur most frequently right. And if two numbers have the same frequency, we prefer the larger value right. And the finally multiply each chosen numbers by its frequency and sum them up right. And the first idea to see this question that comes to mind is the brute force sliding window approach right. The process each window independently and count the frequencies, sort them by rules and compute the sum right. So firstly we like to what we are going to do. My approach like iterate through all subarray of length k using a simple loop right. And then like there are n minus k plus 1 such windows right. Then count frequency of all numbers in the current window using a hash map right. So key in number and value is frequency right. Then store pairs frequency number in a list so we can sort them easily right. And sort the list primary key into frequency descending and secondary key number descending right. This ensures that higher frequency and the larger number comes first. Take the top x pairs and compute the sum right. So x sum is equal to frequency into numbers right. This is the formula, and store the result in the answer array and return the final array x sums right. So now this is the real approach right. And for time complexity like टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी के लिए तो big OK हो जाएगा like for each window of size k right. And space complexity big OK because we use a hash map and the list of size k at most k, so the extra space right. So we would like to do int n is equal to answer and then nums dot length right. And then answer is equal न्यू कर देंगे int n minus k plus 1 I've said earlier guys right. Then we will do like loop minus k right. This k and then we use using map j is equal to I and j less than I plus k, right? And j increment right, and then not on default जो हो गया 0 plus 1, right? Then like list int, right? To new set हो गया, and then list dot add new int हो गया, right? And then mp dot key हो गया, right? And then key, right? And then we like to collection dot sort list A and B, B 0 हो गया, A 0, right? Minus A1 हो गया, right? So int x sum is equal to 0. Then you like to do for int j is equal to 0 and j less than x, right? Then n j less dot size j plus, right? And then x sum plus list dot get j हो जाएगा, then 1, sir I x sum हो ना, and then return true, right? So I would like to run the code. एक सेकेंड, E0 ये भी है, V0 लिया है, स्मॉल सी में कह रहा है, देखते हैं यार। ओए होए L, this silly mistakes. I like, what can I do for my silly mistakes? Return to answer. Right. I think now we will go run this code, right? mp.pumps nums get or default nums z. One second, what is error, guys? mp.puts nums j mp.get और nums what is the mistakes? Default +1 0 है। At line 8 solution find xsum. And then mp.nums j है, mp.get और default है। nums j है 0 plus I। My goodness, what I do from wrong here? The world here plus mp.put है और nums भी है, j भी है। I think one second, this terminal is like my mistake. Like copy this code and paste it earlier and then we like to run. I think that is right in the summary.
अरे आज तक नहीं मंगलवार था।